Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your English language teacher Ms. Nazir Zehra. Today we have lecture number 3 of grade 5. Our today's topic is nouns number. After listening this lecture, you will able to identify and make singular and plural. What is nouns number? Singular and plural. नाउन नंबर्स हम कहते हैं सिंगुलर और प्लूरल को. अ सिंगुलर नाउन नेम्स वन. सिंगुलर नाउन बात करता है सिर्फ एक चीज़ की. इट इज़ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग. मतलब एक इंसान, एक जगह, एक जानवर या फिर कोई एक चीज़. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पर्सन इज गर्ल. यू कैन सी हियर द पिक्चर इज ओनली of one girl. Then place, house is a place where we live. Animal, you can see that here is only one rabbit. Then thing, the example of thing is book. A plural noun names more than one. Plural noun बात करता है एक से ज़्यादा की. For example, girls, you can see the picture of 3 girls. मतलब here the girls are more than one. Houses, पहली स्लाइड में हमारे पास सिर्फ एक हाउस था, यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 हाउस हैं. Then rabbits, here we have 2 rabbits, means more than one. Then books, we have many books, means plural noun names more than one. Now the rules of forming plurals. Number 1. Add s or es to form the plural of most nouns. Means we just have to write s or es after the singular form of noun to make it plural. For example, car. Here we have one car. And cars means 4 cars. Picture से भी हमें पता चल रहा है that they are plural, but if we see the word, so as is written as a suffix to the singular form to make it plural. Second example is bag. And the plural form of bag is bags. We write s to the singular noun. Point number 2. If a noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch और x. अगर हमारे पास नाउन एंड हो रहा होगा एस पे, डबल एस पे, एस एच, सी एच या फिर एक्स पे, वी एड ई एस टू द सिंगुलर नाउन. हम लोग ई एस पुट करेंगे एज अ सफिक्स टू द सिंगुलर नाउन. मतलब सिंगुलर नाउन के बाद हम लोग ई एस लगा देंगे अगर हमारा नाउन एंड हो रहा होगा एस पे, डबल एस पे, एस एच, सी एच या फिर एक्स पे. The example is fox. You can see the last letter of fox is x and the plural is foxes. We write es after the fox. Second example is watch. You can see that we have ch after on the end of the word and the plural form of watch is watches. We write es as a suffix to make it plural. Number 3. If a noun ends in a consonant plus y, drop the y and add ies to the singular form. कह रहे हैं कि जो अगर हमारे पास नाउन एंड हो रहा होगा कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस वाई पे. व्हाट इज़ द कॉन्सोनेंट? वी हैव 5 वॉवल्स इन इंग्लिश. उन 5 वॉवल्स के अलावा हमारे पास जितने भी अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं वो सब कॉन्सोनेंट हैं. अगर हमारे वर्ड के एंड में वाई होगा और वाई से पहले कोई कॉन्सोनेंट होगा, व्हाट वी डू टू मेक इट प्लूरल? वी ड्रॉप द वाई एंड ऐड ies टू इट सिंगुलर फॉर्म. हम y को हटा के सिंगुलर फॉर्म के साथ ies लगा देंगे. हियर वी हैव द एग्जाम्पल दैट इज कैंडी. We can see that the last alphabet of the word is Y, and before Y we have D, which is consonant. So here is the plural, and that is candies. You can see that we drop the Y and write IES to make the plural. Then daisy, we have S and Y, means consonant plus Y. So what is the rule? We drop the Y and write IES instead of Y. If a noun ends in vowel plus Y, अगर हमारा नाउन एंड होगा vowel plus Y पे, मतलब हमारे वर्ड के लास्ट में Y हो और Y से पहले कोई vowel हो, so what we do, we add S after Y to make plural. हम बिना Y को रिमूव किए Y के आगे S लगा देंगे प्लूरल बनाने के लिए. Let's see the example, that is key. We have E and Y, means vowel plus Y, so we just put S as a suffix. Then toy, we have O and Y, O is also a vowel, so we just add S after the Y to make the plural form. Nouns ending in F or fe form their plural form by changing the F or fe into ves. नाउन्स जो एंड हो रहे होते हैं एफ पे या फिर एफ ई पे, उनका प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाने के लिए हमें एफ और एफ ई को हटा के वी ई एस लगाना पड़ता है. इफ़ वी सी द एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव लीव. यू कैन सी दैट द लास्ट लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड इज एफ. To make it plural, we just remove F and write VES. Another one, that is knife, and here FE is the last letters of the word. We remove FE and write VES as a suffix after the singular form to make the plural form. But what they are saying on point number 6, that some words ending in F form their plural in the normal way. कुछ वर्ड्स जिनके आखिर में हमारे पास F आ रहा होता है, हम उसमें वाला रूल फॉलो नहीं करते जिसमें F को ड्रॉप करके VES लगाते हैं. We just make the plural form in the normal way, and let's see what is the normal way. We have first word, that is chef. हमारे पास chef में लास्ट लेटर F आ रहा है, but when we make the plural of it, we didn't remove F and write VES, we just put S as a suffix. Then handkerchief and handkerchiefs as a plural. You can see that we just put S as a suffix to the singular noun to make the plural form, and this is the normal way. Number 7, nouns ending with O form their plurals in two ways. नाउन जो एंड हो रहे होते हैं ओ पे, वो दो तरीके से अपने प्लूरल बनाते हैं. सम ऐड एस, अदर्स बाय एडिंग ई एस, कुछ एस के साथ और कुछ ई एस के साथ. नंबर 1 एग्जाम्पल इज टोमेटो. द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ टोमेटो इज टोमेटोज. वी जस्ट पुट ई एस आफ्टर द टोमेटो वर्ड. फोटो and photos. You can see that here we just put S to make it plural. It means it is confirmed that there are some nouns which ends on O form their plurals in two ways. Some add es, which we done in tomato, and some write just as a suffix to make the plural, as we have done in photos. The plural of compound nouns are formed by adding s to the main word. As we have learned noun kinds, you all know that what are compound nouns. So what we do, we just add s to the main word. Main word का मतलब है कि जिस noun के बारे में स्पेशली बात की जा रही हो. For example, father-in-law. Here father is the main word, so we'll just put s with the father. Then we have passer by. Passer means राह गुजरने वाला. So we just write s with the passer, so it becomes passers by. Point number 9. Some plural nouns are formed by changing a vowel. कुछ nouns हमारे पास ऐसे भी होते हैं जो अपनी plural form बनाने के लिए अपने word में से कुछ vowels को replace कर देते हैं किसी और vowels से. You can see tooth. We have double O in tooth. यहाँ पे हमारे पास सिर्फ एक दांत की पिक्चर आ रही है और एक दांत को हम tooth कहते हैं. Then here we have teeth. यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो दांतों की पिक्चर आ रही है. So the plural of tooth is teeth. You can see that we replace double E with double O. Same here we have man, M-A-N, man. We use this word for the singular person. Then M-E-N, man. We use this word for the plural ones. You can see we replace E with A to make the plural. Here our explanation is complete. Kindly see the exercise at how you have to do it in your copy. Exercise number 9. Rewrite the following sentences changing the singular noun and heavy type into the plural form. हमें इन सेंटेंस को दोबारा लिखना है but what we have to do to change the singular noun and heavy type. Heavy type means that some words are written in bold form. You have to change them into plural form and making other necessary changes. और कुछ necessary changes करनी है like when we convert singular into plural, some articles will be removed and some pronouns will be changed from singular to plural. We have an example of the lily is a beautiful flower. लिली हमारे पास एक beautiful flower है and the answer is lilies are beautiful flowers. We change lily to into lilies because यहाँ पे consonant plus y था so हमने उसको y हटा के IES लिख दिया. But when we write lilies it becomes plural, so helping verb will be changed because is used for the singular and are is used for the plural. So here we write are. Lilies are beautiful. Then we change flower to flowers. Same as it is, you have to do this exercise. The 3 points are done by me for your help. So now let's see exercise number 10. The question is insert the correct plural in each space below. Number 1, one knife. And here was written just 3. We have to write the plural form of knife. So what we have done, we just remove FE from the word knife and write VES to make the plural. Then one chimney, we just follow the rule vowel plus Y. We just have to write as a suffix, so we have done it. Then one pulley and many pulleys because the rule will follow vowel plus Y. So we just write S to make it plural. Let's see the homework. What you have get in your home task. Make index and title page accordingly. आपके सामने 2 पिक्चर शेयर की गई हैं. Same as it is title page और index बनाइए. Then do exercise 9 and 10 in your copy from page 16. Page number 16 से आपने exercise number 9 and 10 copy के अंदर करनी है. Hope so that you understand my lecture and will do your work accordingly. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Hope so you understand the lecture as well as the copy work. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.